What's up guys, today I'm going to show you an advanced way to use the mirror effect. The mirror effect is actually built into Final Cut Pro and you can find it in the effects tab over here. So if we go to effects and then I'm going to search for mirror, and this is the mirror effect. I'm just going to drag it onto my clip. This effect is really cool, I use it a lot, but it's actually quite limited if you don't know this little trick that I'm about to show you. For instance, on this clip, what I want to do is get a perfectly symmetrical video clip with the horizon in the middle, but when I add the mirror effect on its own, I can't actually do that. It kind of like squashes it all together and you can't see the horizon anymore. So what I'm going to do is delete the mirror effect first. What I'm going to do before I add the mirror effect is actually reposition this clip and then turn it into a compound clip. So what I'm going to do is press the transform tool right here, and then I'm going to bring up my horizon overlay, and then I'm going to drag this video clip down so that we have a bit of the horizon in the middle. And then I'm going to click done. And now what I'm going to do is right click and turn this into a compound clip. Click OK. And then I'll get rid of these horizon guidelines. And now I'm going to add the mirror effect to this video clip. And I'm going to turn it all the way around. I'm going to click on the angle here and press 270. That's going to give me a perfect 180-degree angle. And now as you can see, we've got a perfectly symmetrical video clip. And then if you want to go back and reposition your video clip, all you have to do is go into your compound clip, select it, click the transform tool, and you can move it even further down if you want, or reposition it to wherever you want. Go back onto your main timeline by clicking this arrow, and the effect will still be there. It's just more, there's just more of a horizon in the shot right now. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to know on this one. It's really simple but effective at the same time, and you can create some awesome edits using this little compound clip and mirror effect combination. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.